An email drops into your inbox. All hands meeting, 4 p.m., mandatory, and the air suddenly feels thinner. Whether you're in Atlanta or Bengaluru, the same thought flashes. Will my name be on the list? In that instant, Stoic wisdom becomes a practical guide. See clearly, breathe steadily, act with quiet courage, and play fair. Rumors travel faster than fresh coffee, but rarely reveal the truth. Before panic pushes you to blast resumes or post a rant you'll regret, gather facts from the people who actually decide. Numbers, timelines, next steps. Decisions anchored in data, not gossip, spare you frustration later. Fear is human. Full-blown panic is optional. A simple 4-count breath can reset your system in under a minute. Sit upright with both feet grounded. Inhale through the nose while counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for the same 4 beats. Exhale for 4. Stay empty for 4. 3 quiet cycles slow your pulse, clear your head, and put you back in control. Use that clarity to polish your portfolio, record recent wins, and spot skills worth upgrading. If you stay after a layoff, survivor's guilt or dread of another round can drain focus. Channel those feelings into forward motion. Volunteer for tasks left ownerless. Write genuine references for colleagues who departed. Or plan a graceful pivot if your own path needs redirecting. Courage shows up in steady action, not big speeches. Every organization, whether in Mumbai or Chicago, is an ecosystem of clients, suppliers, and teammates who stay or go. If you lead people, explain openly why cuts happened, how many roles were affected, and what support follows. Transparency lowers anxiety and builds trust. Even without a title, raise your hand when workloads look unsustainable and watch out for those shouldering extra weight. Once the dust settles, practice active acceptance. Treat reality as raw material, not a prison. Ask which process you can simplify, which contact you can strengthen. Maybe a recruiter in Hyderabad or a mentor in Boston. And which new skill fits the future you want. Lock in resilience with a daily ritual. 2 rounds of 4-count breathing before opening email. A midday note of 3 objective facts, plus 1 thing under your control. And a quiet bedtime visualization of losing your badge tomorrow, followed by the very first step you would take. Small doses of mental rehearsal today make the next wave easier to ride. Layoffs ebb and flow with the economy, but they don't have to steal your peace or blur your purpose. Keep clear vision, steady breath, quiet courage, and fair play at the helm. And when the storm arrives, you will still be steering, never drifting. Thanks for watching. For more insights that blend ancient philosophy with modern work life, follow Stoic Compliance.